Hello everybody, Rocket here, calling in from White River Junction. I'm doing a home tour. This is a tour of my hometown right here. And this is the cover store. It is one of my favorite places in town. And once we go inside, you'll see why. My friends, this is Wild, AKA Jamie, AKA the friendly face of the cover store. Jamie, tell everyone about the cover store and your home repair program.
Okay, our home repair program, they go into people's homes who are income qualifying. They do a lot of basic home repairs, put roofs on, build ramps for people who have transitional changes going on. A lot of handrails because a fall is near to death, right? You slip, you break a hip, and you might as well just be a go.
Okay, and how does the cover store relate to the home repair program?
Everything that you see in here, all this stuff is donations, and all of the money that we make by selling these donations goes back into the community via the home repair program. Also, a lot of donations like handrails and other building supplies just go straight into people's homes, and you can't purchase it anywhere else for as inexpensively as we get it donated to us. So we're really doing the good deeds.
Okay, let's take a quick tour, and then you can just talk us through as we see things.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
We got a little bit of everything here, right from, it goes from art to xylophones. This is a big thing. We've not gotten an x-ray machine yet, but someday you might. Luggage and all the sporting goods, tools, everything changes on the daily, so you never really know. And one of the funny but not funny things is when people come in and they were like, so you can find an empty coffee cup amongst the shelves. When they're like, oh, there was a hammer here that I saw yesterday. Somebody snapped it as soon as they saw it. I need that hammer. If you're looking to have a shocking good time, some of this stuff might give you a jolt if you don't put it in right, which I'm not responsible for. We've got switches, outlet plates, covers, the whole 9 yards. Fancy over here. We've got double gangs. Any of the adaptive equipment that we get, like crutches or wheelchairs or shower chairs, those sorts of things, we just give those things away to people for free.
Wow.
Doesn't make a lot of sense to make people pay for things they require for survival.
Cool. What's going on up here?
So these are CDs that one of our volunteers took from our cleaning out of the space and decided to make a creative little mobile. We really like to highlight repurposing. You can do a lot of stuff with stuff besides throwing the trash.
Awesome.
Over here, we're gonna put in a jam session lounge. It's not gonna be big, it's gonna be more like speakeasy-esque. So it's gonna have a little small spot for a couple of people to come over and throw down. You just need a place to strum along, or you wanna play the spoons, maybe the shades. I don't know what kind of noise those would make, but you can do it here.
Pretty cool.
Is it a soup tureen or is it a chamber pot? Really, it's up to you. It's all about what you want it to.
Jamie, here, we need...
This is my executive director, Helen Hong.
Helen, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, I'm Helen Hong. I'm Jamie's boss, as you can tell. We have a great time.
I do everything she says. You never give her a hard time.
And what is your favorite thing about the cover store? What your job is?
My favorite thing is that you never know what you're gonna find or who you're gonna find. Like today, who would have known you guys would be here today? Thank you for visiting.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the hardware hallway where all of the hardware gets kept. We like to try and sell things by the pound. $3 a pound. Unless you get more than 10 pounds, then the price goes down.
One day special for you, something special. When life gives you lemons, come to the cover store. All right, folks, thanks for joining us today at the cover store here in the heart of White River Junction. Jamie, thank you for this amazing tour.
Thank you.
You guys, there's not only can you get everything that you ever dreamed of and more. Look at this beautiful thing.
But all the money that you spend here goes back into the community to do amazing things, helping your neighbors stay hopeful.
It's an amazing mission and a wonderful, wonderful store. As I said, one of my favorite places in White River Junction.
Thank you.
Thank you. Their furniture turns over so fast here, but they have such beautiful furniture. This is my favorite room of the cover store. I love glassware. So just amazing glassware. Jamie, how much are the glasses here?
That would be 50 cents.
50 cents.
50 cents.
For a martini glass.
You could get these two for $1.
Ooh-wee.
$1 for both, not for the... So this is where we have all of our plumbing, and if it's a plumbing supply, it's in here. We've got toilets, we've got sinks for the bathroom and for the kitchen. We've got all the hoses,
Perfectly clean.
hoses and clamps and all that stuff. We try not to accept them if they have fecal matter still in them. Only good things. Tile for walls, floors, showers. Over here we've got some holiday overflow that's spilled out, but all the other flooring type stuff here. Dining room tables, the wall of mirrors happens to be one of my favorite places to sit and reflect. I like to check myself out when we're looking. Oh, this is it. This is brand new. This just came in.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that. That's a nice one. Mirror on the wall. Yeah. It's the coolest. Seating options, folding chairs. If you are gonna go camping, this is it. Like, get in here and get your camping chairs. Card tables.
Sweet. Everything. Let's go to the big room, the hall.
If you are still tied into a landline, we have those kinds of phones. They're
Gorgeous. $10.
I prefer the high back aesthetic, but all 4 of these have wheels on them. Furniture with wheels on them.